Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically enable light mode on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. This method works with the latest update, so you'll always have your favorite mode set just the way you like it. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open up your Facebook app on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the account where you want to set this preference. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This brings up a menu with several options for your account. Next, find the section labeled Settings and Privacy in the menu that appears. Click on it, and then choose Settings from the expanded list. This will take you right into all the controls you need to personalize your Facebook experience. Now, look for the option called Accessibility on the left-hand side. Click on that. It's where Facebook stores features to make the platform easier to use for everyone. Under Accessibility, you'll find a tab called Video and Motion. Click on it so we can continue. Inside the Video and Motion settings, scroll until you see Captions display. Open up that section, then look for and select Text Size. You're almost there. Here's the key step. In the Text Size menu, you'll notice an option labeled Dark Mode. Click on it, and now you're presented with a couple of choices. To have light mode turn on automatically based on your device's settings, choose Automatically. And that's it. By selecting Automatically, Facebook will now switch between light and dark mode to match your device's theme. No more manually switching back and forth. Facebook handles it for you. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. If it helped, let me know in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning.